You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more Hebrew names, stay tuned and I've got more videos for you. This is a variant alternate spelling. It's often spelled with a Z in place of the S, which explains why it's usually pronounced as Asriel, not Asriel. I doubt, do you pronounce it Asriel? I don't think in English it may be pronounced Asriel. Maybe in Hebrew or other languages, Asriel. Generally in English, the pronunciation is as Asriel. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.